All I know one thing, कि average salary of this college is touching 28 lakhs. If you are able to convert this college, once in a lifetime moment, you are getting average salary of 28 lakhs every year for the rest of your life. Fine. To get a 28 lakh package, we can work for years. Here I am only asking you to work hard for the next 5 months. If you can crack the exam, if you can work hard for the next 5 months, let's crack the exam and we can convert IIM Ahmedabad. You are branded for life. Yep. So let's talk about the batch profile, cutoff and the average salary of IIM Ahmedabad. Hi guys, this Monday we are going to launch our new program for the CAT exam, CAT and the non-CAT exam. In case you want to join, just call any of these number. And today we are keeping a demo lecture at 8 o'clock. So in case you want to attend the demo lecture also, please contact the numbers given here. Yeah, today 8 to 9 p.m. we are keeping a demo lecture on the most problematic area, which is maths. So just call the numbers here. They'll send you the login ID password. The batch have just joined at IIM Ahmedabad. Let's look at the batch profile. 28% are non-engineer and 28% are women. So we got the complete detail about that. Does this mean IIM Ahmedabad is now going against engineer? This is what question was asked to me by a student. So let's look at this report and I'll then give you my update on that, what I have to say on this. So this is the new batch profile who have joined online. The inauguration happened virtually for the 2-year program. The batch size is 385. Out of 385 students, 28% of the batch are women, which is 6% more as compared to the last year. Okay, superb. Known for having dominated by the engineers, IIM Ahmedabad also saw the increase in the non-engineers as well. So 28% of the batch are non-engineer, which is 4% more than the last year. So the huge improvement as compared to the earlier, the batch size was 24%. Total intake of the batch is 432, out of which 385 are for MBA and PGP, and 47 students are for the PGP agri program, agriculture. In the PGP program, 72% male, 28% female. एक ही बात घुमा घुमा कितने बार लिखेगा यार ये आर्टिकल वाले ना, आजकल यही हो रहा है ना, दे आर पेड पर वर्ड, सो दे ट्राई टू रिपीट द सेम वर्ड अगेन एंड अगेन. ठीक है, so this show the quality of the author as well. Unless this article is written by IMA students and given to Ahmedabad Mirror, तो बात अलग है. Then average age is 23. 67% of the batch have work experience, prior work experience. Okay, so that's the profile of the students. Now a lot of questions will come to the mind. Yeah, 28% are non-engineer, तो भाई still 72% are engineer. Please, तुम्हारा कंपटीशन खत्म नहीं हुआ है, आपका कंपटीशन कम हुआ है, नो डाउट. नंबर हैव गॉन डाउन, बट स्टिल 72% इज नॉट अ बैड नंबर. ओके, आप अपनी बात करो. यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन वन सीट. सो आउट ऑफ 400 स्टूडेंट, 70% बैच, ऑलमोस्ट 250 स्टूडेंट्स आर स्टिल इंजीनियर. ठीक है, आप 250 में हो कि नहीं हो, आप अपनी टेंशन लो. फाइन, पूरे इंजीनियर्स की टेंशन मत लो. और मेल वाइज अगेन 72% आर मेल, 28% आर फीमेल. ठीक है यार, फीमेल के लिए 28% सीट पर छोड़ दो यार. दैट स्टिल आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स अ बैड. एंड IIM Ahmedabad इज नॉट गिविंग एनी मार्क्स फॉर द diversity. Other colleges are doing that, but IIM Ahmedabad is totally open. Whoever perform good, they will take him. Okay, same way 67% of the batch have work experience, superb. Remaining 33% batch is fresher. तो fresher 33% है ना. So those who portion Quora, के being a engineer you have no chance, being a this thing male you have no chance, being a fresher you have no chance. So भाई there are 28% people are like you, 72 are engineers, 72 are male, and fresher 33%. So you have there are people of every type. जिसका नहीं हो पाता ना वो कंप्लेंट करता है. ठीक है, so those are going for the CAT exam. Your target setting is very simple. In case you want IIM Ahmedabad, you have to target 99.6 percentile plus. Target have to be 99.7 percentile. Open category GEM. Yeah, other open category student, non-engineer 99 percentile is the cutoff. OBC target 97 percentile. SC ST target 90 percentile. 99.7, 99, 97, 90. Again, provided your academic record and all. So open category engineers, open category non-engineers, OBC and EWS, SC and ST, that should be your target in case you want to convert IIM Ahmedabad. And director have given a beautiful message here. 2 years at IIM Ahmedabad will present you unlimited opportunity to acquire knowledge, skills, explore your interests, and most importantly to build a network of friends and mentor. Yeah, so if you convert, एक बार lifetime में जान लगा दो, if you convert, you are getting unlimited opportunities, and that's a fact. Once you are going into IIM Ahmedabad or any of the main IIMs, you are branded for life. Fine. So all this negative energy, let's keep it away for some time. Those are preparing for the CAT exam. Last 3-year batch profile, you can see the commerce students, engineer, non-engineers. Art students for the last 3 years is 3 to 5%. Commerce students have increased 21, 18, 21%. And science students are 1 to 2%. Fine. Engineers are remaining 72%. भाई 72% अभी भी engineers हैं. तो प्लीज़ अपनी टेंशन लो, बाकी लोग क्या आ रहे हैं उनके लिए थोड़ी बहुत सीटें छोड़ दो यार. ऑलराइट, ऑल द बेस्ट.